Hello everyone, how are you? I'm doing great. Today is a beautiful day to go out, so I decided to go for a drive and maybe I will stop by at Kitsilano Beach, which is a very popular sea beach in Vancouver, and I enjoy the driving. It's beautiful. I wish I can have a driver to help me and I will just enjoy the scenic view, but unfortunately it's a dream. It was really lovely to spend my day or afternoon here watching people, watching the beautiful nature. Almost 1 o'clock and I was feeling really hungry, so I was walking, and I think from the beach after 20 minutes I'm here. I found a nice empty Mexican restaurant and I enjoy Mexican food. I love the interior of this restaurant. Less people, that is a good news for me, but bad news for them. They cannot make lots of money, but it's not my problem unfortunately right now. I was thinking about the safety. They set up nice dining area for outdoor as well, but it's a little bit cold, so I decided to stay inside. This is my pineapple drink. It was really good taste. For lunch, I ordered veggie enchilada. I didn't expect that lot, but yes, it was a lot. And also one taco salad. This is my all-time favorite food for my quick lunch. I love it. And both of the dishes are really so good. It's time to go home, and when I'm driving to home I was thinking, wow, I had a great lunch, but now I have to prepare dinner for my kids and family. I was actually driving and thinking what to cook. I really enjoy trying different kind of meal. I get bored with same food every day. So right now I'm cooking one dish meal, which is like traditional chicken biryani, which is from Bengali style. So I was browsing the recipe at Google. I found this one is kind of easy, also a little tricky. I'm using leg and thigh for the chicken biryani, because this kind of biryani, if you want to make it, it should be big pieces, not the typical small curry piece for the biryani. So what I did, I add little saffron and food color Then I'm frying it a little bit light brown, and I use a half cup of oil. I'm going to save this oil after frying for later. Chicken is almost done. Both sides is slightly browned, and I'm not going to cook for so long. It should be each side maybe 1 or 2 minutes, not more than that. So I'm using the leftover oil for deep frying the 1 cup of onion. Once the onion will be light brown, then I'm going to add 2 or 3 bay leaves with 2-3 sticks of cinnamon, and also salt, like 1 teaspoon salt with 1 tablespoon ginger and 1 tablespoon garlic. And I have to saute it like for approximate 2 minutes. At this moment the stove temperature will be medium. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon ghee or clarified butter. It will enhance the flavor of the chicken. I'm adding 1.5 tablespoon of almond paste. It will give the creamy flavor once we finish the chicken. Little water adding. The sauce looks so thick and creamy, and the flavor is so delicious. I feel like to eat right now. Right now we are going to lower the temperature of the stove. I forgot to mention that I added half cup of natural yogurt in the sauce. Now I'm putting all the leg and thigh. So at this stage we need to really taste the sauce. That salt is okay or taste is good. We can always add if anything is missing right now. This recipe is okay for 5% or 4%. Once the sauce is mixed well, both sides of the chicken, then we have to cover it and wait for a few more minutes to finish the cooking of the chicken. This chicken biryani is in Bangladesh it called chicken pulao actually. It's a very traditional food, especially they cooked it for occasional, say any celebration, they actually cook it, and it's really easy and mild, not too spicy, that anybody can enjoy it. And I feel like I personally don't like biryani, but I enjoy this chicken pulao a lot. So I added a few green chili. The green chili should not be really too hot. It should be mild one. adding little bit water. Chicken will be cooking maybe 5 to 7 minutes, and I took short grain rice which I got it from Indian grocery store. I soak it for 20 minutes. Now I am boiling it with 6 cup of hot water and little salt added, and the rice should not be cooked like overcooked, it should be half cooked, because I'm going to mix the chicken and rice together and put it in an oven for finishing. So the rice should not be, make sure that it won't be like super cooked, it should be half done. So I'm draining the rice. I set up the oven temperature 400 degrees for 50 minutes, and I layered the chicken and the rice. Then I put it in the oven with covered it with kitchen foil. So now you can see the chicken pulao is really ready. Everything looks so perfect, and oh my god, the smell of the rice, it's so delicious. Typically we can eat just chicken pulao and some green salad with that, no need anything else. But if anyone else interested more food, of course we can add curry or other item as well, but this should be enough for dinner. I added fried onion for garnishing, also few boiled egg. Traditionally, Bengali people like to serve chicken pulao like this, and just a few lettuce with tomato and onion slice, and of course the lemon. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you enjoyed, please subscribe and share my channel, and I will come with something new for next video. Stay safe and blessed. Bye.